Hey guys, so the other day we bought the CHEFMAN microwave. Now, I don't know what brand CHEFMAN is. It sounds like a not very popular superhero. Maybe he's on the level of the Condiment King or a Mega Man villain. However, how do you open the CHEFMAN microwave? Well, as you can see, it doesn't open. So here's the trick. They tell you if you look it up to press this stop button for a couple of seconds and then the safety lock will turn off. It makes a square right here. And now you can open the CHEFMAN micro... What the... All right, clearly that does nothing at all. So here's the real way how to open it. So there is a hidden button right under the handle here. I pick it up with my finger, lift it up. You can probably see the hidden button right here. See, lift it up like that. This comes up, and that is how you open it. Now, interestingly enough, if you press that button again, it goes back to how it was before, and it seems to do nothing at all. So it still opens with that hidden button. I'm not sure what that stop lock button actually does, probably nothing, but it doesn't matter. That's how you open the CHEFMAN microwave. For more household helpful hints and tips and tricks like that, just like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah!